So everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we have Mad Woman by Taylor Swift. Yesterday just released a new album which is Folklore, and successfully I have done the whole album, which is actually a great news. So check out, this song is not likely to much play on the guitar because it doesn't have a lot of thing to play, but still some of the songs really has some nice cool guitar parts, and you can just check out my channel playlist, Folklore, all done with tabs. So let's get started. For this song, we have the keyboard on the first fret. The first chord will be a G major, which is 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3. Next chord is a D, which is mute, mute, open, second, third, second. Then is a major, which is mute, open, second, 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 open. Then E minor, 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0. And if we just have a look at the structure, we start with a verse, pre-chorus, chorus, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, bridge, chorus, outro. So the chord progression for the verse will be E, G, D, D. Something like this actually goes a bit of very fast finger picking. But that's a different case. Over here we just learning how to play the chords. So we got E minor, G, D major is actually repeated twice. So you're just gonna do one down in each chord, and the verse is down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat the D. Go back to E minor. Now we have the pre-chorus, chorus, and the bridge. And fortunately, we have the same chord progression for all of them. So it's G, D, A major, A major. Now you can do 4 downstroke in each chord, you can do 1 down each chord, but personally for the chorus I like to do 4 downstrokes. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So let's play the chorus. That's it for this lesson. Again, make sure to check out the playlist. Really work hard, did the whole album with other songs, and tomorrow I have to do another album. So you know, these 3 days when like going to be so tough. Never mind, I'll see you guys back in my next video. Till then, bye.